Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common issue many of you face: Gmail login problems on your PC. Let's tackle this with some straightforward steps to get you back into your inbox. First up, refresh the Gmail web page. It's a simple fix that can work wonders. Just click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser to reload the page. Next, double-check your email and password. It's easy to make a typo, so take a moment to ensure you've entered both correctly. If that doesn't do the trick, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help. Here's how. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab, ensure all the options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear it out. Sometimes, a simple device restart can resolve login issues. To do this, press the Windows icon, click the power icon, and select Shutdown. After waiting for 30 seconds, turn your device back on by pressing the power button. If you're still having trouble, try connecting to a different network. Navigate to the notifications area, click on the network icon, and switch to another network if one is available. Lastly, check your internet connection. Again, from the notifications area, click on the network icon to verify that you're connected properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any Gmail login problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.